Hello, everybody. I am the Red Devil Light Pig. How about today? Let me explain to you a 1020 for console lamp matching. So first of all, what happens when we get the console? First, clean up a program of the console. First, we click Settings. There is an erase in the settings. Then we choose B. The corresponding button erases all data and selects C. Then we click OK. In this way, we will delete all the error in the program. And what happens next? Let's order one of the fittings of this lamp. We prepared a stage now. There are 10 beams of light and a blue par light for our 18 units. Then these two. We all choose to connect computer lights. Then we choose the corresponding letter B. Because we have set the address code in advance, we set up a beam of light first. So let's connect the beams of light here first. Choose the second one. Then our beams of light are 10. We can select by pressing one by one. You can also directly reselect. In that case, we've already calculated it automatically. This address code. Then if some customers pass this first, if you adjust it in the background. If you want to adjust, we can adjust it through this micro turntable, including one of our lines. It has two ABS lines. All can be changed through this C key. Then I won't make changes here. Then our beam of light has already been selected. Then the next sentence. We chose this blue paddock light. Padang was the first one. Then we choose a. Then for Parton, we have 18 together. 18 units. If we press the buttons in a row, we can choose 16 units. Then we choose a. The end of page 0, 2 and 16 after the first page turns. And then we turn the page. Then we choose 1 to 16. So that's 18 units. Then this address code. It has also been automatically calculated. Then we can quit. So how do we look at this? Are there any accessories? Then we can go back to this accessory. A front page of a lamp. We can see the accessories information. Then the fifth item. We chose this button. Then we can take a look. We can keep scrolling up and take a look. Check it out. Let's take a look. First we see 0010. Represents the first one on page 0. The first one is also a beam of light. We were talking about 10 beams of light, right? Then let's take a look at the 10th channel. which is also a beam of light, right? Then there's no problem. Then what about 111,213 and 14? We are not matched. From page 0 of 1516. Go to the first channel after the first page turns. 216 is Payton. Then let's check. If there is no problem, that means there is no problem with our matching. At this time, there is no problem. The translated 16 are the last reclining lights. If that's no problem, we can quit at this point. So first let's go back to page 0 now. Let's choose. Take a look at the streetlights. The first to the 10th. Is it a beam of light? We've positioned it. We are waiting now. You can see our 3D emulator on it. Now this beam of light has changed. And what do we do next? Show it that one of its light banks is correct. We can click on its x-axis and y-axis here. And here we are. If you click the wheel, it controls this y-axis. Then let's give it a simple change. We gave him a simple change. Then we'll check again. Take a look at his color palette. Are the color plate and pattern plate correct? Basically explain. Is there any general problem with the lamp library? Then we'll check the lying lights again now. Let's quit first. If you are lying down, it is on pages 0, 15th, and 16th, and 1 to 16 after we turn the page. After we choose, let's position it, okay? At this time, all the lights are on. Then we made a simple change to it. Take a look at the dimmings, right? Our current one itself is bright when dimmed. Okay, is it closed at this time? And let's look again. One of its color changes. You see the B pattern. It is a corresponding change of color. Let's change the color. I won't demonstrate the rest too much. Then this console. Well, that's basically it. Thank you very much. See you next time.